This feels good right here.
Hey guys, Hammers here. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded a video in quite a while. It's just right into it. So today I decided to bring you another Let's Build. Well, it's just the same one, but just carrying on from where I last left off. Let me just teleport there. Right, so as you can tell, nothing's really been done. It's just something like this. I haven't been on the server much recently. No idea why, like, but oh well. We're gonna finish off this house today. Then check if there's anything else being built on the server, and then give that a quick showcase. If not, I'll probably just build a bit more to this. Yeah, I've got a sore throat again. Whenever I decide to want to record, bloody always get flipping sore throat. So oak, yeah. Fuck's sake. Can I get it? Yeah. So yeah, if you want the IP route to this server to come and help build a small community, you don't want to overpopulate the server because there's only 5 spaces, but the people in this server is pretty calm and nice and friendly. So anyone any age will actually, if they want anywhere just to come and chill, they can just come here. We still need to sort out the economy shops and stuff, but that's going to be worked on. In fact, I'll show you the location after. That's if Toasty, the owner, has done any changes to it. So yeah, I don't really like how that one looks, kind of with a roof. The inside of it is bloody awesome. Even the owner, the server said that. Or someone's been in here. I would never been able to decorate this on my other worlds, but for some reason, because I've AKRSSQ, whatever his name is, he's actually, from looking at a load of the design ideas from that of him, but just want it. So shout out to him. Is that? Yeah. I'm gonna cheat. Just recently. So yeah, only me, because I'm only that's actually got word edit. No, that didn't work. We set spruce wood. Okay. A bit strange. Wait, I wonder if I can do it this way. We set 17 true. Well, that worked. No. I'll have to just remove all that. Oh. We set spruce plank. I hope it's that. Fuck's sake. Sorry about language. Just do it by hand. I'm thinking whether to use a texture pack or something for my next video. But the shaders packs, I've been searching YouTube and stuff for shaders packs. Too close. But apparently there all seems to be a bit bad file when I download them using what's the app? There, that ES File Explorer, top left. So tired. As you can tell, I don't give a crap about copyright strike because I've got music playing in the background. I'm not sure if you can hear it or anything. So yeah. Sorry. I absolutely hate nighttime on here. Time set day. Mate, I don't know how Liam can actually build at nighttime on here. I think it's him or other admin, I can't remember his name. Spanish dude. So, anyone got any ideas what kind of house I should build after? Because this village is only going to be kind of like smallish houses. Because I don't want to spend forever on big major houses like I did in the last server, just in case it gets griefed again. And if you haven't seen that, I'll put a video picture in right here. Right. So now, if I can find the picture, it should have one. The WhatsApp group chat profile picture for me and Spanish dude and Liam. It's SR something. Yeah, Can't remember his name. Can't pronounce his name properly because I ain't Spanish. Hold on. No. Ow, my phone's getting warm again. I don't want sponge. My fucking throat's killing me really bad. Right. Video's coming up for nearly 10 minutes now. Done that so far, so we're gonna now have a look around the rest of the server. SR. Amazonia. No, nothing much different. Beside the bloody chunker and the Enderman. Ouch! That's not right. Yeah, kind of fixed bottom of this, so I wonder if you'll notice. Lighthouse, just little plots and stuff, and pirate ship. Not sure if I've already shown you all this. Steve! Creeper. What is over here? I've not really had a look. Right, looks like it's that time, so let me just, right, bye y'all. Right, I should upload another one soon anyway. See you, bye.